And when it reaches to this end curly brace of this method, this variable is no longer alive, okay? And that's the end of this variable life, this local variable, okay? But when you create a variable inside of this class, inside of the class itself, that variable is going to be alive throughout the lifetime of your application. So hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any questions about this concept, please post a discussion in the course, and then I'll do my best to answer your questions. And another important point that I wanted to talk about, as you can see here, as I said before in the previous sections, we actually start counting from number 0, okay, not number 1, okay? So when here I actually specify that if the length of this value, this string value, is greater than or equal to number 9, this means if the number of characters of this value is 10. So we start from number 0. So as you can see here, now our application is actually running on this emulator here, and let's actually create some random numbers, okay? And as you can see here, now our button is invisible, and it actually generated some random numbers here. So let's actually count the random numbers here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's the result of this if statement here that I actually created. And I said that if the length of this string value is greater than or equal to number 9, so this value, the length of this value is actually equal to number 9. So it is going to actually make this button invisible. So always remember, in programming, we always count from number 0. Okay, this is very important. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please post a discussion in the course. I'll do my best to answer your questions. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.